Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. In today's video, we're diving into the hilling process and discussing its importance for the growth of your potatoes. Let's get started. Hilling is the process of mounding soil around the base of your potato plants as they grow. This crucial technique helps protect the developing tubers and promotes a healthy potato crop. Hilling provides several benefits. First, it protects tubers from sunlight, preventing them from turning green and becoming inedible. Second, it encourages more tubers by stimulating the growth of additional tubers along the buried part of the plant. Third, it helps prevent weed growth, which is always a plus. And finally, it improves stability by supporting the stems and keeping the plants upright. All right, folks, here's a step-by-step guide to hilling your potatoes. First hill. When your plants are about 6 to 8 inches tall, grab a hoe or garden fork and mound soil around the base, covering the lower leaves. You should aim to create a mound that's around 4 to 6 inches high. Subsequent hills. As your plants continue to grow, repeat this process every few weeks. Add more soil each time, but make sure to keep the top leaves exposed until the mounds reach about 12 to 18 inches high. Now let's talk about some tips for effective hilling moist soil. It's best to hill when the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Avoid damaging plants. Be gentle with your plants to avoid damaging the stems or roots. Regular monitoring. Keep an eye on your plants and repeat the hilling process as needed. Hilling is essential for growing healthy and productive potatoes. Follow these steps to protect your tubers, encourage growth, and enjoy a bountiful harvest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!